Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to change a page URL in Elementor quickly and correctly. Let's get started. First, open the Elementor editor. Once it's open, select the page where you want to change the URL. Click on the Preview Changes button so you can view the page URL, then copy that URL. Next, go back to Elementor and open the WordPress dashboard. From there, hover over Elementor, then click on Tools. You'll see an option called Replace URL or Update Site Address URL. Paste the URL you copied earlier into the first field. In the next field, type in the new URL you want to use for your WordPress installation. After entering the new URL, click Replace URL. Once that's done, go to General and select Regenerate Files and Data. This ensures all changes are properly applied across your site. That's how you change a page URL for a WordPress Elementor website. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.